Hello, in this short video, we'll show you how to download and install a software update for your Volvo. Open the notifications page by sliding down from the top of the home screen. Then press on Download once. This will download the update before installing it. Wait for the alert confirming that the update has been downloaded to appear. This will usually take a few hours. Once you receive the message, the vehicle will ask you to install the update in the notifications page. Important: at this step, press Install and then Confirm. The next time you lock the vehicle, the update will begin, which means that the vehicle will not be accessible for an hour and a half. Exit the vehicle and lock the doors so that the update can begin to install. There you go. The update for your Volvo has now been installed. If you have any questions regarding how to install a software update for your Volvo, please contact us or give us a call. One of our Volvo specialists will be glad to help you.